Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will take a look at the Gridbox code editor. Before you can start using the code editor, it must first be enabled in the Apps section. From the Gridbox dashboard, navigate to Apps and find the code editor in the list. Then, publish the app to activate it on your website. Please note that the code editor is a premium app and can only be published with an active Gridbox license. The code editor can be accessed directly from the Gridbox editor. To open it, click Tools in the toolbar and select Code Editor from the drop-down menu. The code editor provides a dedicated workspace for adding custom code to your website. In the CSS tab, you can enter custom styles to modify the appearance of your website beyond the standard Gridbox design options. The JavaScript tab allows you to add custom scripts and extend your website's functionality with interactive features. To improve productivity, the code editor provides built-in code suggestions and auto-completion. As you type, relevant properties, methods, and code snippets are displayed, helping you write code more efficiently and reduce errors. In dark mode, the code editor offers improved readability, making it easier to focus on your code. Once your changes are complete, simply save your page to apply the added code. The Gridbox code editor gives you full control over custom code while keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.